Artificial intelligence is a rapidly growing field of technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. In this article, we will provide an overview of what AI is, its applications, and the potential implications it may have for society. What is AI? AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. It involves the use of algorithms and statistical models to analyze and make decisions based on large amounts of data. AI systems can be classified into three main categories: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning involves training machines to recognize patterns in data by providing them with labeled examples. For instance, an AI system can be trained to recognize images of cats and dogs by being shown labeled images of cats and dogs. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, involves training machines to find patterns in data without being given labeled examples. Reinforcement learning involves training machines to make decisions based on the outcomes of their previous decisions. Applications of AI. AI has numerous applications across various industries, including healthcare, finance, transportation, and manufacturing, among others. In healthcare, AI is used to diagnose diseases, design treatment plans, and analyze medical images. In finance, AI is used to analyze financial data, detect fraud, and provide personalized investment advice. In transportation, AI is used to optimize traffic flows, monitor and manage vehicle fleets, and develop autonomous vehicles. In manufacturing, AI is used to improve production efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance product quality. Implications of AI. While AI has the potential to bring about numerous benefits, it also raises several concerns, including the impact it may have on employment, privacy, and safety. One of the most significant concerns is that AI may lead to the displacement of human workers as machines become more capable of performing tasks that were previously done by humans. Additionally, the use of AI in areas such as surveillance and data analysis raises concerns about privacy and the potential misuse of personal data. There are also concerns about the safety of AI systems, particularly in situations where they may have to make critical decisions. In conclusion, AI is a rapidly growing field of technology that has the potential to revolutionize various industries and bring about numerous benefits. However, it is also important to consider the potential implications of AI, particularly in areas such as employment, privacy, and safety. As AI continues to advance, it is essential to ensure that its development and use are guided by ethical principles and considerations. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated about more interesting topics. See you soon in our next video.